Okay, Gus Schmidt here. So, in order to use the Nexus Institutional AI trading engine that I've developed, you're going to need to generate a, a Gemini API key. So, it's very, very easy. So, all you would do is you go into your Google account, Google AI Studio account, and it's right here at the top here, aistudio.google.com/apps. Make sure you have a Google AI Studio account, right? And then all you do here is go and scroll down to the bottom here where it says Get API Key. So you would just click that, and there you go. It tell you something like generate key. Okay, right here to the right, create API key, and it'll create an API key for you. Okay, very simple. You need that API key in order to run the AI institutional analyst in the dashboard, in order to analyze those currency pairs. All right. Okay. In order for the app to retrieve the historical price data for the currency pairs, you're going to need an OANDA API key for the OANDA trading platform. And all you need is a demo account to do that. So what you would do is you go to OANDA and create a demo account. And once your demo account is set up, you go to this link here. It's called hub.oanda.com here, right here. And then from there, you would click on trading tools right here and go down to OANDA API right here. And since I've already generated a key right here, this says revoke, but you would see generate key right here. So you click on uh, that button, and the OANDA API will generate your personal access token or personal API key. So you're able to the app will be able to retrieve the data, because the AI, the Gemini AI app won't be able to run the analysis unless you load the historical data into the app as well. Okay, it's very simple, and then you would plug it in to the app. Okay, so now I'm going to show you where to copy and paste the the two keys into the Gemini API key and the OANDA API key. So if you notice here at the top right of the analyst dashboard here, there's a gears button. You would click on that button, and then here it's asking you for those API settings here. The first one says Gemini API key. That's what runs the analysis, the AI analysis in Gemini. So you'd paste the keys there. And for the OANDA API key, which retrieves the historical market data, you'd paste that key there, and then it'll save it in your browser. So it's your own personal keys, your own personal information that you can run the AI analyst on. Okay? And that's about it.